Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooper Cooks. Today in this video, we will be making a delicious chocolate chip cookie. Here are the ingredients we'll need: 2 sticks of cold butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and half a cup of white sugar. Before we get mixing, we will have to preheat our oven to 415 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, my oven is now preheating to 415 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's get mixing. We are gonna mix in our butter, chop it up, make sure you do that or else it's gonna be kind of hard to mix, our brown sugar and our sugar. That's what we're gonna mix in for about 4 minutes till we get like a creamy consistency. It's been 4 minutes, my alarm is going off, and we have a pretty creamy consistency. Now we will start adding in our eggs and the rest of our ingredients. We are gonna mix in 1 of our eggs now. All right, now we're gonna mix in the last egg. There we are. Now we are going to mix in our flour. Now I'm going to add our baking soda and then our cornstarch. Now let's keep on whisking or mixing, whatever you want to call it, on a medium speed. Now we are going to start mixing in most of our chocolate chips. We're going to add in more than half, and then we'll keep 20 chips. Now our cookie batter is basically done. We are going to put it into a big ball, and we are going to put it on a cooking sheet where we will separate them into individual balls. Now we are going to take all our cookie batter, we are going to put it into a nice big ball, and then we're going to plop that down onto the cooking tray where we will split up the balls. Put 1 there. We have a lot of cookie dough. Most likely with my cookies, they're probably gonna bleed into each other because I realized that my cooking tray is not the biggest, but this is what I have. Now we're gonna take our chocolate chips. We are going to add them into cookies that just don't have enough cookie chips in them. Let's open up our oven, and we are gonna put these cookies in for 9 to 12 minutes. Cook them till they're golden brown. I just brought the cookies out of the oven. They look pretty golden brown to me. I'm gonna let them cool down because I don't wanna burn my tongue, and then we are gonna try them out, dig into them, and see what the final product looks like. I like my cookies like this, where they're kind of chewy, but they have some sort of form. Let's see how it is. That is very good. This just knocks it out of the park for me. These cookies are just really good. Where did I get my recipe from? I can thank Nick DiGiovanni for his recipe. We have our beautiful chocolate chip cookie, very tasty, and I'm definitely gonna share it with my family. Thank you for watching Cooper Cooks, and see you in the next episode.